You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is a smaller than -3/2 smaller than -11/2. Let's solve it step by step. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 2 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the a. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3/2. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Remove the ones. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is a smaller than -3/2 smaller than -11/2.